All right, so how do you use picture-in-picture mode on Android? A lot of times, this will work right off the bat without having to do anything. But in some cases, you might need to enable it first. And if that's the case, we're going to do that in the settings. So, to the settings we go, and then we're going to scroll down to Apps. Here, I'm going to tap those three dots and go to Special Access. This is on a Samsung phone, by the way. I'm going to show another phone with a different layout in a sec. But on Samsung, I have a menu here for picture-in-picture. And you can use this menu to toggle picture-in-picture on and off on an app-by-app basis. So if I want to use it for YouTube, I'll make sure YouTube has picture-in-picture enabled. Then, to actually use it, I can just go on the YouTube app and watch a video. And as the video is playing, I'll go back to the home screen, and that video will minimize into this little floating window, and I can use my phone for other stuff while the video is playing. I can tap the window anytime and bring it back to full screen, or I can tap the little X to close that window. If you're using something like a Google Pixel, Motorola, or other phone running stock Android, that menu is going to look a little different. You'd go to Settings, then Apps, and scroll down to Special App Access. There, you'll have picture-in-picture. And again, you'll just make sure the app you want to use it for is allowed to use picture-in-picture. Also, I've seen cases where it's enabled and allowed, but doesn't work. If that's the case, toggle it off and then back on. That can fix issues where it's not working properly. So now I'm playing a video on YouTube. I swipe away, and same thing. It goes into picture-in-picture mode. And that is how you use picture-in-picture on Android. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe. I love to help people, and I post guides like this almost every day. Thanks all!